Everyone, as you can tell, we're tired, but we've been helping out with Unity Raceway today, helping them get everything fired back up. Where there's a lot of tracks that are shutting down, Unity is coming back to life. So if you've ever thought about going dirt track racing, that's what we've got here that we're helping with. Oh, we've been out here helping with Unity Raceway. They've got clay coming in order to be able to pack up the track. Got the Ranger over there and everything, hauling rocks all morning. If you, like me, would like to help out with the Unity Raceway revival and rebuild, please check the description and click on the link for their Facebook page. Give them a follow and offer them some support. They've done an amazing restoration job, removing all the old tar and converting the track back to its dirt roots.